a vibrant city where dreams soared high, a determined bunny yearned for a chance to prove herself. Assigned to the mundane task of parking duty, the eager soul navigated the chaos with unwavering resolve. Frustration brewed among the varied creatures as the enforcer clashed with the chaos of urban life. In hidden corners, silhouettes schemed, their eyes gleaming with mischief and greed. A realization dawned as secrets unfurled, the need for unexpected aid seeping into the determined heart. Partners in unlikely circumstance, they braced for the clash of wits and wills against a common foe. Hearts racing, they bided time, anticipation thick in the air as danger loomed closer. Fate twisted in the winds of uncertainty, challenges mounting as the adversaries danced out of reach. Shadows whispered of impending danger, the antagonist's game of wits threatening to unravel all. Minds sharp, courage ablaze, they wove a tapestry of strategy and bravery, defying the odds stacked against them. Cheers echoed through the streets, gratitude painting the skies as two souls found valor in unity. In unity forged by trials, they stood strong, ready to embrace the unknown, their bond unbreakable in the face of the future. The moral of the story could be about the power of unity, resilience, and overcoming obstacles through collaboration. Despite being assigned to mundane tasks and facing frustration and challenges, the determined bunny and their unlikely partner realized that they could achieve more together than alone. Through courage, strategy, and unwavering resolve, they were able to confront their common foe and emerge victorious, showing that strength lies not only in individual capability but also in the bonds formed through shared experiences and challenges. The story emphasizes the importance of cooperation, trust, and solidarity in navigating the complexities of life and achieving success against all odds.